Hello, this is Wilson from Bolt Airsoft. Thank you for watching Airsoft.nu. And here to introduce you our new stuff. This is a special accessories for MP5 series. It's like we have released, we are going to release a new adapter for MP5 series to apply the M4 stocks on. Okay, so this is the prototype. You can see, like with when you apply the adapter here, you can install M4 stocks, and you can have a retractable and also good looking. Okay, so this is our new stuff. It's going to release in April. Okay, and this is prototype of our new series called Elite PDW. It has this M-LOK style. You can apply M-LOK accessories as well. And also this is PDW stock. It can be you can extend it and also just make it like M4 series. And this is like a mini combat version of M4 series. Yeah, it's more handy, it's more precise, and also strong recoils.